Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Cast King Spartacus 2 Baitcasting Fishing Reel. The totally new design Cast King Spartacus 2 Baitcasting Reel is a best. Spartacus 2 Baitcasting Reels have the dynamic features, an extremely sleek lower profile of only 39mm, about 10% lower than Spartacus I, and a weight of only 6 ounces for your battle in pursuit of your personal best. Match up one of the 5 color patterns to your casting rod for a hot-looking baitcasting combo. You will love the exceptional design of the powerful 5-button magnetic brakes. It is so efficient this baitcaster only needs one brake system instead of dual brakes, and the technologically advanced Cast King double-tapered control chute line guide that reduces line friction for ultimate line control and bird's nest reduction. A Cast King Spartacus 2 Baitcaster fishing reel with its versatile 7.2:1 gear ratio create an exceptional super low profile bait casting weapon in your fishing tackle collection that will save you money and bring you years of fishing pleasure. Our second best baitcaster reel is Cast King MegaJaws Baitcasting Fishing Reel. Cast King MegaJaws Baitcasting Reel's one-piece ring magnet provides uniform braking force during the entire cast. When the spool reaches peak speed and auto-adjusting centrifugal brakes, braking bars are thrown out, reducing the speed of the spool and avoiding backlash. Upgraded MegaJaws Baitcasting Reel, adopting Cast King Palm Perfect ergonomic engineering, are only 41mm tall and much lighter than before. MegaJaws Baitcaster Reel total weight only 6.7 ounces on the new model. Main gears and main gear shafts are made of hardened aerospace 7075 aluminum. Cast King has given the MegaJaws Baitcaster Reels unique colors for each gear ratio so you can quickly identify the right reel for the job and gain a competitive advantage to win bass fishing tournaments. Its ultra-smooth multiple-disc carbon fiber drag provides up to 17.6 pounds of trophy fish stopping power. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is pissyfun Torrent Baitcasting Reel. The fishing reel adopts industrial durable strength and climate-resistant Japanese Hamai Cut 3604 brass gears. These are all top quality gears you expect for baitcaster fishing reels, which offer ultimate consistency for reeling in. The Torrent reel uses a magnetic braking system that has 5 magnets to give the angler many levels of spool braking power to effectively prevent backlash. Beginners can also quickly get up to speed. 5 strategically placed magnets to optimize the magnetic effect on the ported aluminum spool, and a precise dial and gauge for backlash control. Coupled with the spool tension knob and light thumb pressure, the days of tangled bird nests are gone. A simple lever releases the removable side plate for maintenance and periodic cleaning. While others have hatches and cover with screws, this makes things so easy and simple. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best baitcaster reel list is pissyfun Phantom Baitcasting Fishing Reel. The Phantom Baitcasting reel frame, side plates and handle are made of premium carbon fiber, providing significant weight reduction without sacrificing strength and durability. This pissyfun Phantom 6+1 imported stainless steel bearings combined with oversized titanium line guide offers incredible casting. 7.0:1 gear ratio provides faster reeling speed, and the faster the bait moves through the water, is great for pitching jigs or burning baits at high speed. Double hard anodized aircraft grade aluminum main gear and pinion gear paired with 4-disc carbon fiber drag washers deliver exceptional 17-pound stopping power to fight your biggest fish. The 105mm extended carbon crank handle gives the anglers the leverage and power needed to pull the biggest fish out of the thickest cover. Oversized titanium line guide positioned further away from the spool to minimize line friction and maximize casting performance. Our last pick is Howtone Baitcasting Fishing Reels. If you're fishing any bass fishing lure that you primarily work with your rod, a high gear ratio reel is the way to go. You're often pulling the bait with your rod tip, but you need to have the ability to quickly take up your slack when you get a bite. The macaron color has a dignified meaning, as the unique color layout symbolizes the user's luxurious taste and the sweetness of fishing. Carbon fiber frame lightweight, only 7.82 ounces magnetic disc for the auxiliary adjustment of a total of 20 gear adjustment strength. Usually magnetic setting of 5 to 7 is an average range for new anglers. Copper and zinc more than 90% copper alloy, different from the general brass material, the density of the material is more uniform, resistant to seawater corrosion, high precision, reduce the gap between the gear and shaft.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!